Hello guys, and I'm gonna show you my Rubik's Cube. So let me go. Oh, ignore this. Ignore. This is just app to make 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's lagging. Yeah, this is my Rubik's Cube. And so let me tell how this app works. So go to right, to this, make a photo. Not actually, yeah. Go how it's actually going, because it will not work. So boom, boom, boom. So go here, boom. Now solve. It doesn't, because I just did 2 incorrect. What fuck? That. If you want to see my room, yeah, this is my room. I'm gonna show finally. So this is my room, by the way. It's kind of small. Oh wait, this. So there's, yeah, there's is offline, like for so much years, and he's not talking. So, well, it's like this. So it says go like this. This. Wait, what? It's making no sense. But like nonsense. Lol. You can hear it, I know. So we are gonna see when I'm doing before I do. Yo guys. So I found the yeah. I just know how to do. Wait. Just go here. Just go here. What? This app is so good. Look. Boom, boom, and it's done. Like, how the hell did you do that, app? Oh my god.